Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Payoneer to Cashapp in 2023. Just keep in mind that there's no direct integration between the Cashapp and Payoneer. So both for transferring funds, of course, because Payoneer is primarily used for international payments and freelancing purposes, while Cashapp is focused to peer or on peer-to-peer payments within the United States. But just make sure to follow the tutorial steps and I will show you how to transfer your money from Payoneer to Cashapp, of course using a third website which is named Paxful. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use whatever browser you're going to use. Of course, once you open the browser, go to the URL section and type paxful.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to go and create your account if you don't have an account on this website. And if you have an account, you can simply go and log in into your account. And of course, make sure to verify your phone number and email address so you'll be able to use this website. And make sure to even enable this 2FA or two-factor authentication so your account will be secure, because it's a great way to secure your account. It's the best at the moment. And of course, once you are set up, your account is verified and you have your account, make sure to even double check your funds or that you have your funds on your Payoneer and you have a Cash App account that you would like to send money from or to so you'll send money from Payoneer to Cash App. So you'd like to check if you have funds in your Payoneer and a Cash App account. So once you have both and once you have your Paxful accounts, you can simply come back here, go to the stop option and click on this drop down menu on buy, then click simply on buy Tether or USDT. Here we would like to pay via Payoneer. So click on it and type Payoneer. And as you can see, we find this here. So click on it and the amount or the USDT or the currency will be USD. Of course, you can even enter the amount that you would like to send here. And here the offer location should be worldwide and click on find offers. As you can see here, you would like to choose whatever buyer suits you, depending on the price and the trade speed, the minimum and maximum purchases, and if they are verified or not, if they have a good amount of positive feedbacks, and of course, if they need or require any additional informations. So you can choose from this drop-down menu. Of course, for you in your time, it may be different. So choose whatever suits you, then simply go and click on buy as an example. Just click on this one. Here, we'll have to go and enter the amount of USD that we would like to transfer from our Payoneer or from our Payoneer, to Cash App. So as an example, let's say it's $500. So if you are going to type here $500, as you can see, you'll receive this amount of USDT in your account. So if you didn't verify your email address and phone number before, you can simply click on Start Verification, then verify them from here and come back here and you will be able to find the buy option. Once you click on it, you'll be able to contact the seller and he will send you the informations where to send the Payoneer money. And once he receives the money, you will receive your USDT in your Paxful account. Of course, to check that you received this, you can simply go to Wallet, click on it, and of course, you will find the amount of USDT that you have in your account here. Even if you buy, as an example, BTC or Bitcoin or even USDC or USD coin. So whatever you buy, you'll find it here in your wallet. And from here, you will notice or you will be sure that you receive your USDT or whatever you bought. So once you have it in your wallet, you can simply now go to sell, click on this drop down menu, then click on whatever you bought as an example. So for me, it's going to be Tether or USDT. And here we are going to this list panel and get paid via. And here we are going to simply type cash space app. And as you can see, we'll find this here. To choose it and go to I want to get USD, of course, and offer location worldwide, then click on find offers. As you can see, you will find a lot of sellers now. So again, you'll have to go and choose whatever suits you, depending on the price, minimum and maximum sell, and of course, the trade speed, if they're verified or not, the amount of positive feedback that they have, and of course, if they require any additional information. So make sure to go and check all of that by your own, and whatever you found, whatever suits you, you can simply go and click on sell. Once you do so, you'll have here to enter the amount that you have in your account that you bought before on your wallet. You can always go and check from here. Of course, this sell option will require from you a 1% fee. So, as an example, if you have 500 USDT, as an example, you will need 505 USDT so you can buy or you can sell. If you like require or you want to buy the maximum, simply just go look here what you will need, and of course you simply have to type it here. Of course, if you have it in your wallet, so you can sell it. And of course, here you will know or you will see the amount of USD that you will get in your Cash App account. Of course, if you have verified phone number and email address, you will find a sell option here. If you didn't, you can always go and verify everything. Of course, now if you scroll down, you'll be able even to see more informations about the seller, even if he had some offer terms. As example, he has here like you'll have to simply leave a positive feedbacks and trust my profile and thanks. So he does not have like offer terms. So make sure to scroll down and check for any buyer terms or any seller terms. And of course, once you click on sell, you will contact him directly. So you'll have to go and send him your Cash App account, and he will send you the money right there once, and you will have to send him the USDT. Of course, if you try to scam anybody, the supports will come to you or will come after you. So don't try to do something stupid. Of course, you can here, of course, see if he has everything verified, the amount of positive feedbacks he had, the negative ones. Of course, these negative ones may be, or you may find it zero on some sellers or some buyers, but of course, it's not always will be zero because like not everyone will be satisfied. Somebody will be pissed just because of the trade speed, and some of them like, of course, a lot of people will not like just small stuff. So once you trust your seller, you can simply sell on him your USDT that you have in your wallet. And of course, once you sell it, you will have to check on your Cash App if you receive the funds in there. If you receive the funds in there, you will be good to go. You will have no money in your Paxful account, and you will send your money from Payoneer to Cash App in 2023, of course, using a third website, which is the Paxful. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. Of course, an example, if you didn't want to use like USDT, you can use Bitcoin or USD coin. So same for sell. Those what you can buy and sell with. Of course, there's other options, in example, but you cannot buy and sell. So if you want to transfer your money using Paxful, you'll have to use Bitcoin, USDT, or USDC. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully learned how to purchase, or sorry, how to send your money from Payoneer to Cash App in 2023. Remember that there is no direct integration between Cash App and Payoneer for transferring funds at the moment. So, as an example, maybe in the future, in 1 month or 1 year, you will find it available. So, keep your tracks on those websites and any additional information on them. So, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.